Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Ranita and I love getting into makeup and all things beauty related, and today we're getting into IPSY. I literally just got home from work. It's pretty late, almost 8 o'clock, and I'm just getting into my box because I kind of won't have time to do this tomorrow morning, so I thought may as well just do it now. So let me just get into the very first thing, which is Glam Bag. So this is 5 deluxe beauty samples. You choose one product worth up to $70 and you pay $14 a month, and this is theme for the month, Beauty Nightmares. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty obvious, right? Because it's October, so that totally makes sense. And then, they've kind of talked about the dreaded deep clean. Kind of reminds me of Bewitched, the vibes that I'm getting from here, but okay. So anyway, let me just show you what I received in my Glam Bag. Now, I did see spoilers, so I kind of have an idea of what to expect, but I'm not really sure if that's what I'm going to be getting. And I also did want to share that I actually got 2 extra items from IPSY, and I wonder if it's because of that Toy Factory thing, like, the Toy Factory pencil that I got last month. It was totally like a bust. It was not working, and I was pretty upset about that. And then they actually sent me an Elemis cleansing balm, and I'm really happy about that because I was running out of my cleansing balm, so now I have one to use, and the other one that they sent me was an ABH brow gel. So I was like, okay, like, I got the 2 extra items this month, and there was no explanation for that, but if that was for making up for what happened, then I'm pretty happy with that. So this is what you're gonna get in your Glam Bag. This is the image. And yeah, they're kind of just giving us, all these looks and stuff for Halloween and what's coming up. Now, you probably saw this in my spoiler video because they had asked, for a vote, and I think it's a very cute bag, and I do like that detail here. This is very, very cute. Can you see that? I love this detail. I think that's adorable. So let's get into, I'm going to be a little bit tired here for this video, so do excuse me if my brain's not working properly. I'm not going to be getting into like approximate value and all of that because this is pretty last minute. So anyway, this is the Pacifica Cherry Gold Highlighter and Blush. Seems to be okay. I believe that we did see this in the spoilers, so I think that this is something I expected. Let me just get it out so that we can take a good look at this. So this is what the, oh yes, I do remember seeing this. This is what the product looks like. It looks okay. I don't know why, but I wanted to smell it. So anyway, it's very pretty. I like the design of it. I think I may actually try this out or give it to a friend because it just feels like I have a lot of blushers, but it looks okay. And I like the fact that at the back, there's actually a mirror. How cool is that? I love that. That is awesome. Okay, so we can, kind of carry this around and then turn it and apply it. That's a very nice design, so I do like that. Okay, I've actually changed my mind. I'm probably going to keep that for myself because that would be really nice to just take with me in a bag, and if I need to touch up somewhere, that would make total sense. Now then, the other thing that I kind of got a bit excited about is this Fenty Beauty mini that I received, and we did see that in the spoilers too, so that's great. I know it's going to be a red. It is so tiny and so cute. Let me try this on for us. Hey, so this is the red. It is so fiery. This actually reminds me of Ruby Woo, which is from MAC Cosmetics. I absolutely love this. So this color is called the MVP Semi Matte Lipstick Rouge. Absolutely love this. Very, very happy with this, even if it is just a mini, because honestly, who's ever finished lipstick, like, unless you're using it like 10,000 times. So I like the mini size. I feel like I may actually be able to finish this, but this is such a big win for me, and I'm really happy about that. Now, the other products I've received are a Peptide Wrinkle Relaxing Moisturizer by Beauty Stat. This is an unfamiliar brand to me. And then we've also gotten this, Bobbi Brown. Yes, I love Bobbi Brown. I literally have the full-size version. So here we have the full-size version of that Bobbi Brown vitamin-enriched face base. This is excellent. If you get this, you're so lucky because it is so freaking good. And I absolutely love having this. I use it pretty sparingly because I don't want it to get over. But it's also just the fact that whenever I have used it, I love the way that it makes my skin feel. This is really for like special occasions, so like once a week, when I'm going to church and stuff, that's when I like to layer that on, and then I go over that with my Yensa or whatever foundation I'm planning to use. and it works really well. So if you get that, just know that it's really gonna prime your skin. It is amazing. Anything by Bobbi Brown, and I'm there for it. So I'm really happy with the vitamin base, the Fenty lipstick, and I like the highlighter as well. I don't know about Beauty Stat yet because, you know, I need to do my skincare routine later at night, so I'll do that. They also sent me a brush by Wing Me Cosmetics, and I kind of like the size of it. I feel like maybe this could be for like blush and stuff, or yeah, I just feel like this is a good size because I do tend to run out of brushes this size. But one thing I will say is that a few of the bristles are kind of, yeah, you can see that now, the bristle literally just came loose. So I hope it's not, I hope it's just, you know, like a few stray ones and that it's not going to be like that. But for the most part, I like the shape of the brush. I like the design. It's easy to hold and it's pretty. So that's pretty good for me. Let's move into Boxycharm. Boxycharm, as you know, is 5 full-size beauty products, and then you choose 3 products worth up to $200 and $30 a month. And I will actually get into like the choices that I got myself, because I actually did buy this month. I forgot that I had actually put my Boxycharm on pause and I had not actually canceled it, so I ended up having to buy the box. So yes, I do have products coming in this month, and I will talk to you about that at the end of this. This is what I'm getting from IPSY, so let's get into that. This is so cute. They have a cat makeup thing, which I really like. Okay, so here we have a bigger version of the picture for Glam Bag. I'm kind of disappointed that I've noticed since the previous edition that they are no longer kind of giving us like the prices of products. Like I think in the previous issues they were actually doing that, and I really like that because it made things easier and I was kind of able to like give you a price breakdown of things, but right now they're not doing that, so I think that's a little bit disappointing. So anyway, that's that. Let's get into the products. Oh my goodness, I had this, I gave this away to my sister. So this is the Tarte blusher, and yeah, it's a liquid blusher, and my sister absolutely loved it, and it's really good. It's very, very good. You just have to put dots on your face and, you know, it blends out. It's just perfect. So I'm really happy about this because now I have my own and my sister has hers. So I got this in the shade pink, which I think should be just fine. So that's the color. I think it should work for my skin tone. I can't remember what I gave her last time, but this is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I need to do like just a reel for this, just pressing this and having that liquid come out. Like that would be so awesome. But yeah, definitely you will see this on the channel and you will see me using it because that looks like a very fun, a good product. Okay, now next I have this, which is by Deluxe. I don't know this brand. This is a lip scrub. It says polished pout. Yeah, I don't know this brand at all, but this is basically what it looks like. Vegan and cruelty free. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And we'll have to see if that actually makes a difference for me. I'm willing to try it because I do actually get dry lips, and I feel like that's a genuine concern that I have. Okay, next I've got this over here by Luna Magic. It is a glitter eyeliner duo. Let's see what colors we've been given. That doesn't look too bad. Yeah, that doesn't look bad at all. I think that could actually work. Seems to be pretty pigmented actually, yeah, so you could definitely build this up into a deeper kind of like shade if that's what you wanted. Let me try the glitter eyeliner over here. It's unfocusing, which is kind of annoying. Okay, so this is what the glitter eyeliner looks like. I think it looks okay. I'm not sure how I feel about the glitter eyeliner because it kind of feels like it's not as saturated as I would have liked it to be. Next over here I have the Tula Skincare Triple Hydro Complex Day and Night Serum, which I definitely want to try out tonight. It looks pretty good. It says 24/7 hydration. I feel like I am just like seriously, my bathroom is full of serums. I have hundreds of serums right now, so I kind of feel like this will be fun to check out. This says probiotics and superfoods. I remember saying that I would really love to test this out and see how it works, and it is so freaking cool. My goodness, like I'm looking at the texture of this thing, and I don't know if the camera is able to actually pick that up, but can you see that? It's so fascinating. It looks like it's like hundreds and hundreds of like bubbles or something in there. It's really fascinating, the overall texture of this, and I do apologize if it's kind of like getting blurry. Oh, and that's a really cool design. So it's like you have to you twist it up, like, can you see that? So you twist it up and then that comes out. That's so cool. Okay, so it's kind of like that. That's what the serum looks like. Doesn't have a smell. It kind of feels like medium consistency, I would say. This is a waste of product because I just got home, so I'm going to do my night care skincare routine, but it feels like a medium kind of consistency to like lightweight. I don't feel like this is a very heavy serum at all. But yeah, it feels okay. I think it should work fine with my other skincare products, I think. Because I like to have as heavy moisturization as possible for my skin, because my skin can be, you know, like combination skin. So this is really nice, I think. Yeah. Alrighty, so that's the Tula. I'm going to be testing that. I'm going to see how that feels. It actually feels even so soft on my hand, so I doubt I'm going to have any problem with that. And last but not least, I have received the, this is that highlighter thing. And I can't remember what palette that was from, but, I mean, sorry, what brand that was from, but I remember seeing that I wouldn't mind getting this because I think that it would be nice to try a product from a different brand. And oh my goodness, this has really been wrapped with a lot of bubble wrap, so just bear with me. It looks pretty. It's the, you know, it's got mushrooms and rainbows. It's called the Moonshroom Highlighter Palette. It's got like an actual like moon that's kind of like coming out, and oh, I love that. I love the packaging, and the moon actually shines a little bit, so that's really pretty. I do like that. And oh, there's nothing like opening a fresh highlighter palette. It's really, really pretty. I think that's nice. So let me use the new brush since I got that brush. Let's use that. I'm gonna go in, I think, with Blossom, which is the pink over there. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. Wow. Okay, so that's pretty intense as a highlighter, and I'm just kind of seeing if I can possibly blend that out. I think I can. That's actually looking really good. Wow, that's very, very nice. I mean, I don't always use highlighter anymore, but I really like the way that looks. I'm just looking at it with my mirror. That's very pretty. Okay, so this is a win for me too. I'm really happy that I was gifted something like this because I feel like this is different and it's new. I don't know if all of these things necessarily fit like into the fall spooky thing, but I like the products individually, so I think I'm pretty happy with my Boxycharm and my Glam Bag this month. I think it's been good, you know? This has been pretty good. So yeah, that's basically what I'm sorry if my makeup looks really bad and just mismatched and everywhere right now. I literally came home from work and I just wanted to sit here and get this done. So yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with everything. I'm very, like, I don't feel like this is super exciting, but it's been nice to kind of get different products. I don't think I really like this one as much. Like, I like the normal eyeliner, but the glitter one, I feel like this needs to be mixed with a different glitter to make it a bit more intense, to be up to my liking. So I think this one was not that great. And then of course the lip scrub, I don't really use lip scrubs, even though I should be using them. So I don't know, I'm not too happy about this. And of course, I think this Beauty Stat Peptide Wrinkle Relaxing Moisturizer, wasn't super excited about that, but I think everything else was great. Everything was fine. Let me just get into the products that I was going to be getting for the purchased Boxycharm, because, you know, I think that that would be pretty cool to go through, and I'll show you the options in the shop, even though you probably already saw that. So I was given Ciate London, as you can see, and then I also got this thing by Clara's New York, and then this Murad thing. That was because I bought Beauty Boost, so that's the reason why I have that, and now I've actually like stopped my subscription because I felt like, yeah. But anyway, let me just show you the first option. So there's the Tula Skincare, then Kevin Aucoin, and then the Tarte. So I guess I got the Tarte thing in pink, which is pretty cool. And then for the second product choice, I could choose between First Aid Beauty Makeup Forever, that's a setting spray, and then Kevin Aucoin in Beauty. I'm so glad that I didn't choose in Beauty because I still have that cleanser in my bathroom, because I said last time I have a lot of them. So then there's the Luna Beauty Moonshroom Highlighter Palette as well as a choice, the Hey Honey one, and then for the third it's that Eloise Beauty Luna Magic Eyelash Serum Smoothing AHA Body Lotion by Frank Body, and then there's that African Botanics. I think that one was very expensive, and I do remember seeing that at another point in, you know, this, like, I think some other time this yeah, I saw the African Botanics thing, and I remember thinking that's very expensive. And then there was the kimchi puff pasta and bake powder in, I think, translucent or something like that. I can't remember the exact shade. And then these were the options for beauty boosts, like Murad, and then Ahava, Fenty Skin, Butter Drop Whipped Body Oil Cream, Murad, and then Bumble and Fresh. And I think I stuck with Murad for this because I felt like that would be the nicest thing. I was tempted to go in for Fresh because I love getting moisturizers and stuff, but I thought, what the heck, you know, I'll just stick with what they've given me because whatever. So anyway, this over here are the products that you can get in the shop. So I'll just quickly run through them, call out a few things that I thought were interesting. I like the Glow Recipe thing. I wish I could have gotten that myself. And then these are deluxe minis. So it seems that the deluxe mini for the Fenty Beauty lipstick I got is actually $3.50 over there. I just saw it. Then this stuff by Tatcha, Murad, Barbara Sturm, Bobbi Brown again, $3.50. So yeah, you can get all of these in your bag. Kat Burke as well, Thread Beauty, Patchology, quite a few things, Pacifica Beauty. Oh, so they've actually put this highlighting thing as well in that $3.50 range, so you could actually like that's if you were choosing a Glam Bag and stuff, and you know, or if you didn't get Glam Bag, I guess you could go ahead and buy that for yourself. And then there's more Tatcha here in the $6 products. You can see that there's quite a bit of stuff. Fresh again, watermelon lip balm. I think I would have rather gotten the Fresh lip balm thing because I think that I just love Fresh. And then there's Ace Beauty, Frank Body, Danessa Myricks, Iconic London, which I'm glad I didn't get Iconic London, Buxom Cosmetics, Elemis, Pat McGrath, just a ton of stuff. The Ordinary multi-peptide eye serum, then Grown Alchemist, and then there's that other palette that we actually saw a few months ago, more of Kosas, Kevin Aucoin, and then I was kind of tempted by the commodity like scents, like I was gonna add that, and then I ended up removing it at the end because I was like, it's fine, like I'll just pass on this time because I'm already paying like for Beauty Boost, etc, etc. But yeah, these were all the other things, and you can see that some of the choices that I had made or that were available for me were actually there too. And I also noticed that there was a if you come down here, there's actually a commodity perfume, which, oh my gosh, I actually did not see that. I'm kind of mad at myself for not seeing the commodity perfume because I know that's 18, but I would have loved to have gotten it. I actually have heard so many good things about commodity, so that's actually a little bit disappointing that I didn't realize that was there. But yeah, you can go ahead and just see that, you know, this is everything really available in the shop, and that's basically all that I have for you for today. So I do hope that you got some good products. I'm pretty happy with what I got this month. No complaints here on my side, and that's all I wanted to share with you. So I do hope to see you for another video. I hope you have a wonderful week ahead of you. Lots of love. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.